Hi traders, this is Terry from HarmonicForex. So as you can see, this is the first time that I'm using a webcam to record myself while I'm doing my free market analysis for you guys. So I hope that this kind of recording will be more personalized. At least you get to see who's the guy behind the webinar recording, and you will like it. Alright. So today's market analysis, I will be using a tool called a FormationSeeker. It is created by Scott Carney, which is the original founder of Harmonic Trading, and he was kind enough, to actually give me an account to try it out and for me to feedback my experience of using the software to him. So what I realized is that this software is really amazing because it allows me to save time, it allows me to filter out potential setups, completed harmonic setups that are spotted by him and his algorithm. So to the typical trader is that you save time. You do not have to go through every single chart to draw out the patterns. This software itself will filter out the quality trade setups, and best of all, you get to chat with Scott Carney on a right chat bar like this. Yep. So I'll be going through three pairs. One is on the Euro Yen, which is a completed pattern. I want you guys to witness the power of harmonic trading. Secondly, I will be talking about the sterling against the yen, which is a setup spotted by Scott Carney himself, and it is a setup that we potentially will release to our community of traders as a signal. Last but not least, I also want to talk about Aussie dollar, which is a setup that we are already in, selling the C to the D leg of a harmonic pattern, and we are looking to buy back and initiate long very soon. Just that for harmonic trading, the toughest part is that we cannot predict when the patterns will complete, but we know that once it completes, we have a very high probability setup that is gonna make us some money. Yep. So first and foremost, I want to talk about Euro Yen. Okay, check out this software here. Let me run through a little bit about the software and show you what it can do. Take a look. These are the commonly traded harmonic pattern. It's about 9 of them. But over here at HarmonicForex, we like to only look at the bad pattern, the godly pattern, as well as the alternate bad pattern. So these are the main 3 patterns that we look at. We look for both bearish and bullish setup. Yep. Of course, if you guys are not into just Forex, if you like to view commodities, it has commodities on it. If you guys trade the indices, indices also built into the platform. So this is a 100% web only for software created by Scott Carney, which you can access this filter anywhere with a browser. I have yet to try it with my tablet or my phone, but I suppose it should work well too. Yeah, I will give you guys some feedback after I try it out, but currently I'm using my desktop to do my trading on a week-to-week basis. Okay, you can also filter out the time frames which you like to trade in. For us, we always look at higher time frames like the H4 and the D1. We leave out the rest because the lower time frames are less reliable. Yep. So you also get to learn about the patterns under the knowledge tab. You have a forum where you can chat with other members. So currently this software there's a trial. You can actually ask to get a trial, but it's not guaranteed. You can play around with it, and if you really like it, it's only $99 per month. We do not earn a single commission of this, but if you think that this helps you in your trading, it's $100 a month. Yep. Okay, just let me go back to my analysis. Okay. First and foremost, I want to show you guys a pattern which has completed a few weeks back, and let me show you the power of harmonic trading. Okay, this is the Euro Yen bad pattern. This pattern, it took about a month to complete. Yep. So look at the date below. This is September 17 all the way to October the 9th. So it took about a month to complete this bad pattern. using very precise Fibonacci ratios, you get to predict a zone where the market will turn. This is the beauty about harmonic trading. It is a forward indicator. There's no lagging indicator involved, which means that usually the price that you enter the market at is at a very good price, and it can be predicted in advance. Is this something that you might like in your trading system, or you already have? Yeah. So what happened then was that the bad pattern completed around 137.80, and look at what happened after that. The price came down a little bit, it went up to retest the same level, and after that it just fell off like a cliff. So guys who went into this trade, the first profit level, at least they will make about 150 pips. Second profit level, they will make about 200 pips. Yep. And currently the market is still falling, but we are totally out of this trade. So this is what has happened in the past, and I'm sure that you guys are not super interested in what already happened. The next two setups that I'm going to show you are setups that have yet to happen, and these are setups that potentially can make you a lot of money. Yep, so let me close this off. The first one I want to talk about is spotted by Scott Carney. It's on the sterling against the yen. Yep. So these are setups that has yet to complete, and next week, if we see the sterling yen, go up to around 187.40, this will be the level that we are looking to go short on the sterling yen, and we will have our stop loss at 1 ATR above the high of this Fibonacci extension. Yep. So how to get the ATR? Let me see if it allows me to do that. Okay, so no choice. Sometimes I have to revert back to my MetaTrader 4. I go back to my sterling yen, and this will be the zone that I'll be looking to enter my trade. Yep. So what I will do is that I will place my stop loss at 1 ATR above the X, which is the very highest point of the pattern. So 1 ATR is currently at about 88 pips. So the stop loss will be 188.43 plus 88 pips. It's around 189.20. That will be the stop loss. So 80 pips plus 90 pips. This is a setup which potentially will risk about 170 pips. But minimally the profit target want is about 270 pips, so you get about 1:1.5 kind of a risk to reward. That's for TP1, and for TP2 you will get an amazing 1:almost 2.3. Yep. So this is the sterling yen setup next week that we are gonna be trading, and keep a lookout for our signal. If you have not yet subscribed to our signal, it's only at $40 per month. I will be dropping a link into the post below, and feel free to click it and try us out. Okay, last setup of the day that I'm gonna cover is on the Aussie dollar. Okay, it's not this. Okay, so this is the Aussie dollar that currently we are looking at. So we expect the Aussie dollar to continue falling next week, and once it comes in around this zone 69.80 to 70, 0.7, 69.80 to 0.70, we will look out for this zone here to be tested, and potentially we might enter long around this price here. So potentially you might be looking at a very nice commodity rebound across most of the pairs. You might see dollar CAD dropping, Aussie dollar going up, Kiwi dollar going up, but that is after one more leg of falling. Yep. So once you enter around this price here, the stop loss will be 1 ATR below X. Just let me go back to my MetaTrader. X, A, B, C, D, 6980. So this is the zone that we highlighted to buy, and I'll put in the ATR. Settings will be 7 days. And I like my color to be black. Yep. So when price comes down here, you can enter long. Stop loss will be about 1 ATR dent below 69.37. So for the Aussie dollar, the ATR, we are looking at maybe around only 30 pips below here. So stop loss will be around 0.69. Yep. You're risking about 80 pips for this trade, but potentially we are looking at this as our minimal target profit. This is a horizontal previous resistance. So we are risking 80 pips to make about 280 pips for the Aussie dollar. Keep a lookout. Currently we are already short on this pair. We are already up about 100 pips on our harmonic signal service. So once it comes here, we will be squaring off our short and potentially go long and try to make about 280 pips more. Okay, I'm done for the week. Just want to share a little bit about our upcoming event. This is our website, HarmonicForex.com. If you'd like to find out what are the upcoming events that we hold on a regular basis in Singapore physically, click here. And you will be led into our Eventbrite page where you can register for upcoming events. So we have two events coming up. One is on the 11th of November. This is where we showcase Dr. T, one of our very good investment educator friend based in Singapore, who specializes a lot on stock trading. He's a doctor, he has a PhD in some strategy simulation, and most importantly, we all feel that Dr. T is a very, very transparent educator. He's very real in his sharing. He does not sugarcoat stuff that he says, and we feel that he will be a great asset to share his knowledge with our followers. So if you're based in Singapore and you have time free on this coming Wednesday, 11 November, 2 weeks down the road, correct, yeah, so 10 more days to go. If you are free, drop by Raffles Place, where we will we have the honor to invite Dr. T to share a 3-hour seminar with you guys worth $200 over, that he's gonna do it free for just people associated with Harmonic Forex. So if you are free, click on this link to register. The last seminar of the year, the public seminar that we are gonna do, is on the 17th November. This is where we showcase our harmonic trading course and how we can actually help our traders, graduates of our course, secure jobs as a part-time trader who can potentially be managing a 7-figure account. Yeah. So if you guys are interested in any of this upcoming events, just click and register, but please only register if you can confirm that you can make it. Every time we have about 30% drop out with no reasons, and we feel that it's a waste because there's quite a number of people usually on the waiting list that could not attend because the seats are filled up fully. Yep. So thank you guys very much for this week, and I hope that you enjoyed this webinar. Share it around if you think that it can help trading friends that and feel free to keep checking back week to week for our free market analysis in video. I might not possess the best voice out there, but I hope that you understand what I'm trying to say, and you like the content that I'm sharing with you guys. So thank you very much, and I'll see you guys next week. Have a great trading week ahead. Signing off.